Okay, 130 mark. You want to check your periscope filters and mag at this time?
Roger, mag and filters are okay.
Roger.
And I have the Vox on.
Roger. 115 mark. No sun in your eyes?
No sun in my eyes.
Real fine. Okay, coming up on 1 minute. 2, 1, mark. Stopping off. And full cut off. 50. 35. 40. Okay, have a good trip, Dad. We'll see you below.
Roger.
35. Firing command. 30 seconds. Reduce fast speed.
Okay, periscope is in. 23 amps.
Let's pressurize 20. 15. 10. 5. Drop. Ignition. Liftoff.
Roger, this is Liberty Bell 7. The clock is operating.
Loud and clear, Jose. Don't cry too much.
Okie doke. Okay, it's a nice ride up to now.
Loud and clear.
Roger. Okay, the fuel is go, about 1 1/4 G's. Cabin pressure is just coming off the peg. The oxygen is go with 26 amps.
Roger, pitch AA, trajectory is good.
Roger, looks good here. Okay, there we're starting to pick up a little bit of the noise and the vibration. Not bad though at all. Okay, the fuel is go, 1 1/2 G's, the cabin is 8, the oxygen is go at 27 amps. And the
pitch is 7-7, trajectory is go.
Roger, cabin pressure is still about 6 and dropping slightly. Looks like she's going to hold about 5.5. Yep. Cabin holding, the oxygen is go.
Cabin pressure holding, 5.5.
Roger, roger. This is Liberty Bell 7. Fuel is go, 2 1/2 G's. Cabin pressure 5.5. Oxygen is go. Main 25. Isolated is 28. We are go.
Roger, pitch is 6-2 and trajectory is good.
Oh, roger. It looks good in here. Okay, everything is good. Cabin pressure's holding. Suit pressure's okay. 2 minutes, and we got 4 G's. Fuel is go. Feel the hand controller move just a hair there. Cabin pressure is holding. Oxygen is go at 25 amps.
Roger, we are go here. I stand by for cutoff.
There with the power.
Roger, visit on the power from the pictures.
Roger. Squibs are off.
Roger.
There went power grades. Capsule has separated. We are at 0 G and turning around, and the sun is really bright.
Roger. Caps up is green. Turnaround has started. Manual handle out.
Manual handle is out. The sky is very, very black. The capsule is coming around into orbit attitude. The roll is a little bit slow.
Roger.
I haven't seen a booster any place. Okay, rate command is coming on. I'm in orbit attitude. I'm pitching up. Oh,
Roger. Rate command is coming on. You're trying manual pitch.
I think someplace. Oh, okay. I got roll back. Okay, I went 2-4 and pitch.
Roger, your IP is right on, Gus, right on.
Yeah, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the manual control.
Roger.
Thank you, they're stabilized here. All axes are working all right.
Roger, understand manual control is good.
Roger, it's sort of sluggish, more than I expected. Okay, I'm drawing.
Roger, yeah.
Okay, going back in the I'm a little bit late there.
Roger, reading you loud and clear, Gus.
A lot of stuff floating around up here. Okay, I'm going to skip the yaw roll because I'm a little bit late. And I'm going to try this left yaw maneuver. About all I can really see is clouds. I haven't seen any land anyplace yet.
Roger, you're on the window. Are you trying a yaw maneuver?
I'm trying a yaw maneuver and I'm on the window. It's such a fascinating view out the window, you just can't help but look out that way.
I understand. 4 plus 30, Gus. 4 plus 30, he's looking out the window. Okay.
I can see the coast, but I can't identify anything.
Roger, 4 plus 40, Gus.
Okay, let me get back here to retro attitude. Retro sequence has started.
Roger, retro sequence started. Go to retro attitude.
Right, let's see if I'm in bad, not in very good shape here.
About 15 seconds, plenty of time. I'll give you a mark at 5:10.
Okay, retro attitude is still green.
Retro's on my mark. He's in limit. 3, 2, 1, mark.
There's one.
Retro 1. Roger, retro 1.
Little boost. There went 3.
Roger 3. All retros are fired.
Roger, roger. Okay, yeah, they're fired out right there.
Roger. Retro jettison armed.
Retro jettison is armed, going to break command.
Roger, understand manual fuel handle is in.
Manual fuel handle is in. Mark and going to HF.
Roger, HF.
Retro, I'm back on UHF, and the retros have jettisoned. Now I can see the Cape, and boy, that's some sight. I can't see too much. Roger, I am on UHF high. Do you read me?
Roger, reading you loud and clear. UHF high. Can you confirm retro jettison?
Tracting. Going to re-entry attitude.
Roger, retros have jettison. Scope has retracted. You're going to re-entry attitude.
Affirmative.
Bell 7 from Capcom. Your IP is right on.
Roger, I am in re-entry attitude.
Roger, how does it look out the window now?
Well, the sun is coming in, and so all I can see really is just darkness.
Roger. You have some more time to look if you like. Seven from Capcom, how are you feeling up there?
I feel very good. Auto fuel is 90, manual is 50.
Roger, 05G and 10.
Okay, everything is very good. We got 05G and a roll rate has started.
Roger.
Got a pitch rate in here. Okay, the G's are starting to build. Roger. These are building. We're up to 6. There's 9. There's about 10. And the handle is off in one direction. The other, I got a little pitch rate coming back down to 7. Okay, the altimeter is active at 65. There's 60. Okay, I'm getting some contrails, evidently a shock wave. 50,000 feet, I'm feeling good. Feeling very good. Everything is fine. 45,000, do you still read? Okay, 40,000 feet, do you read? Okay, 35,000 feet if you read me. Feet. Everything is good. Everything is good. 25,000 feet. Approaching drogue chute altitude. There's the drogue chute. Periscope has extended. Okay, we're coming down to 15,000 feet if anyone reads. We're on emergency flow rate. You can see out the periscope okay. The drogue chute is good. There's 13,000 feet. There goes the main chute. It's reefed. Main chute is good. Main chute is good. Rate of descent coming down to, there's 40 feet per second. 32 feet per second on the main chute, and the landing bag is out green. Hello, does anybody read Liberty Bell?
Liberty Bell 7, Liberty Bell 7, this is Atlantic Ship Capcom. Read you loud and clear. Altelemetry confirms your events. Over.
Atlantic Ship Capcom, this is Liberty Bell 7. How do you read me? Over.
Read you loud and clear, over. Liberty Bell 7, Liberty Bell 7, this is Atlantic Ship Capcom. How do you read me? Over.
Atlantic Ship Capcom, this is Liberty Bell 7. I read you loud and clear. How me? Over.
Roger, Bell 7. Read you loud and clear. Your status looks good. Your systems look good. We confirm your events. Over.
Roger, and confirm the fuel has dumped. Over.
Roger, confirm again. Has your auto fuel dumped? Over.
Oh, and manual fuel has dumped.
Roger.
And I'm in the process of putting the pins back in the door at this time. Okay, we're passing down to 6,000 feet. Everything is good. Going to open my faceplate. I can't get one door pin back in. I've tried and I can't get it back in. And I'm coming, ATS, I'm to 5,000 feet, and I don't think I have one of the door pins in.
Roger, Bell 7, roger.
Do you have any word from the recovery troops? directly toward you. ATS, this is Liberty Bell 7. Do you have any word from the recovery troops?
Negative, Bell 7, negative. Do you have any transmission to MCC, over?
Roger. You might make a note. There's one small hole in my chute. Looks like it's about 6 inches by 6 inches. Actually, it's a triangular rip, I guess.
Roger, roger.
I'm passing through 3,000 feet. And all the fuses are in flight condition. ASCS is normal. Auto, we're on rate command. Gyros are normal. Auto retro jettison is armed. Squibs are armed. All four fuel handles are in. Decompress and recompress are in. Retro delay is normal. Retro heat is off. Cabin lights are both. PM is on. Rescue aids is auto. Landing bag is auto. Retract scope is auto. Retro attitude is auto. All the 5 full rings are in. Going down through some clouds at 2,000 feet. ATS, I'm at 2,000 feet. Everything is normal.
Roger, Bell 7. What is your rate of descent again, over?
The rate of descent is varying between 28 and 30 feet per second.
Roger, roger. And once again, verify your fuel has dumped. Over.
You got ahead at bearing 020, I think.
Okay, my max G reading is about 10.2. The altimeter is at 1,000. Cabin pressure is coming towards 50.
I'll make up an...
Temperature is 9.
I'll make up an IREP.
Is 22. Coolant quantity is 30. Temperature is 68. Pressure 14. Main oxygen is 60. Normal is... Main is 60. Emergency is 100. Suit fan is normal. Cabin fan is normal. We have 21 amps. And getting ready for impact here. You can see the water coming right on up.
Liberty Bell 7, this is Atlantic Capcom. Do you read me? Over.
Liberty Bell 7, Hunt Club 1, inbound 2 miles southwest. You're sitting Liberty Bell 7, this is 9-card file. We have your entry in the water will be over you in just about 30 seconds from it.
I have actuated the rescue aids. The reserve chute has jettisoned. In fact, I can see it in the water, I think. See something around the water. And the whip antenna should be up.
Liberty Bell 7 lifted off Cape Canaveral at 12:20, and that's Greenwich Mean Time. All systems appeared to operate A-OK. The voice communications from Gus Grissom were clear and effective. The helicopter is about to hook on. Confirmation of the helicopter hooking onto the Mercury spacecraft in just a few seconds.
Don't forget the antenna. This is Astronaut Gus.
I am not able to make a positive confirmation of the liftoff, but I do know that the helicopter has hooked on and is preparing to pull Gus Grissom out of the spacecraft to the helicopter.
much longer will be before you get there?
This is Club 1. We're in orbit now this time. Around the capital.
Roger, give me about another 5 minutes here to mark these switch positions before I give you a call to come in and hook on. Are you ready to come in and hook on anytime?
This is Club 1. Roger, we're ready anytime you are.
Okay, give me about another 3 or 4 minutes here to change these switch positions, and I'll be ready for you.
Gus Grissom floating in the water.
One,
He's told his recovery helicopters that he intends to finish his checklist and make sure that everything is secure in the cockpit before he opens the hatch to come out. And this sounds like typical Gus Grissom. He was not about to do anything until he was sure everything had been done and in a businesslike manner.
Okay, on close, card phone. Card phone on. I'll stand by to escort you back as soon as you lift out or keep on the aircraft at least 2,000 feet.
I'll repeat what happened downrange in the pickup area. We know that the helicopter attempted the pickup of the Mercury spacecraft. We know that Virgil Gus Grissom got aboard the helicopter. We also know that some kind of malfunction occurred. The spacecraft was dropped in the ocean and sank. And this is John Powers in the Mercury Control Center signing off at this time.
Firing command. 30 seconds. Reduce fast speed.
Okay, periscope is in. Yeah, 23 amps.
Let's pressurize 20. 15. Want to check your periscope filters and mag at this time?
Roger, mag and filters are okay.
Roger.
And I have the Vox on.
Roger. 115, mark. No sun in your eyes?
No sun in my eyes.
Real fine. Okay, coming up on 1 minute. 2, 1, mark. Vox stopping off. Controls cut off. 50. 35. 40. Okay, have a good trip, Bob. We'll see you below.
Roger.
35. Okay, 130 mark.